Are you over the age of 60 and noticing that everyday tasks feel more tiring than before? Maybe climbing stairs leaves you out of breath, carrying groceries feels heavier, or you struggle to open jars like you used to. Many people think this weakness is a normal part of getting older, but Japanese doctors warn that a surprising cause of muscle loss after 60 comes from nighttime habits, especially what you eat before bed. After 60, the body naturally begins to lose muscle through a condition called sarcopenia, but research in Japan shows that your muscles are most vulnerable while you sleep. Even if you eat healthy foods like fish, eggs, beans, or chicken during the day, your muscles may not receive enough protein at night, which is when repair and growth happen. That means your body might actually lose strength while you sleep. To solve this problem, Japanese doctors recommend a simple nighttime food combination proven to help seniors build and protect muscle overnight. It's easy to prepare, gentle on digestion, and designed specifically for older adults who want to prevent muscle loss, stay strong, and maintain independence after 60. Today, you'll learn exactly what to eat before bed, the science behind it, the right time to eat it, and how it can help maintain muscle strength into your 70s, 80s, and 90s. Make sure to watch until the end. Missing even one step can reduce the benefits. And if you enjoy science-based senior health tips, don't forget to subscribe.
Most people assume that muscles grow while exercising, but the truth is your muscles actually grow at night while you sleep. This is when your body repairs damaged tissue, rebuilds cells, and restores strength. However, after age 60, the body does not store or process protein the same way it used to. Even if you eat protein-rich foods during the day, such as fish, eggs, beans, or chicken, your muscles might not receive enough protein at night when they need it most. Japanese researchers have discovered that seniors commonly experience 3 nighttime problems. First, the body often runs out of amino acids while we sleep, leaving muscles without fuel. Second, protein metabolism slows down with age, meaning the body takes longer and does less with the protein you eat. Third, because we fast during sleep, the body may break down existing muscle tissue to use as energy. This means that even with a healthy diet during the day, your muscles can shrink while you sleep at night. To solve this issue, Japanese doctors recommend eating a small, targeted, protein-rich snack before bed, one that slowly releases nutrients throughout the night.
In Japan, specialists encourage seniors to eat a small combination of foods before bed that digest slowly and provide a steady supply of amino acids all night long. The most recommended choice is a simple mixture of plain yogurt with banana slices and a small amount of nuts or seeds. This specific combination provides long-lasting protein, minerals, and healthy fats that the muscles can use during sleep. Plain yogurt contains casein protein, which breaks down slowly and provides a steady supply of amino acids throughout the night. Bananas add potassium, which helps muscles relax and recover more efficiently. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats and more protein, helping the body maintain muscle tissue instead of breaking it down. This small, gentle combination is easy on the stomach, highly absorbable, and extremely effective at preventing overnight muscle loss. It also supports digestion, which is especially important for seniors because many older adults do not absorb protein efficiently due to lower stomach acid and slower digestion.
Japanese doctors have studied this combination extensively and found multiple benefits for aging muscles. The casein protein in yogurt is particularly important because it digests slowly, feeding muscles for up to 8 hours. The nuts and seeds add omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help the body recover from daily wear and tear.
Bananas contribute magnesium and potassium that prevent nighttime muscle cramps and improve sleep quality. The probiotics in yogurt also support healthy digestion, which helps the body absorb protein more effectively. Even the healthy fats included in the snack play a role, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing nighttime cravings, and allowing the body to focus on recovery instead of hunger. Taken together, this snack works like overnight nutrition therapy, giving muscles the nutrients they need to rebuild and stay strong.
Timing is important for this method to work. The snack should be eaten 30 to 60 minutes before going to bed. Eating it too early means your body may absorb the nutrients before you fall asleep, and eating it right before you lie down can affect digestion. The goal is to eat at a time when your body will still be digesting and distributing nutrients once you are asleep, so that your muscles receive a slow, steady supply of protein throughout the night. To make the Japanese night muscle snack at home, simply prepare half a cup of plain yogurt without added sugar and add a few slices of banana. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of nuts or seeds on top, such as almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, or flax seeds. You may add a very small amount of honey for taste if you prefer, but avoid making it too sweet because excessive sugar increases inflammation and can slow down muscle recovery. This recipe does not require cooking, is inexpensive, and can be eaten every night. It is simple, effective, and easy on the stomach.
Just as important as what you eat before bed is what you avoid. Japanese doctors caution seniors to stay away from heavy or sugary foods late at night because they interfere with muscle repair and digestion. Foods such as desserts, fried meals, large portions of fast food, fruit juices, and snacks high in sugar can increase inflammation, disrupt sleep, and prevent effective muscle recovery. Very salty foods and excessive alcohol can also affect hydration and muscle function during sleep. If your goal is to protect your strength and stay independent as you age, keeping your nighttime snack clean and simple is essential. For even better results, Japanese doctors suggest combining this nighttime snack with just 5 minutes of gentle movement after dinner. You do not need to exercise intensely. A slow walk around your home, marching in place, or light stretching is enough to improve digestion and increase blood flow. This small habit helps nutrients travel to your muscles more efficiently, making your snack even more effective at building strength overnight. If you want to prevent muscle loss after 60 and maintain strength as you age, this simple bedtime habit can make a powerful difference. Try adding this small snack to your evening routine for 1 week and notice whether you feel more energized, sleep better, and experience less weakness. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more senior-friendly health tips rooted in science. Stay strong, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.